Hey, congrats on getting that patio lighting job. It's the perfect way to add a dynamic atmosphere to your client's yard. The big question is, do you know where to get started? Of course you do! Well then, let's get a jump on planning a patio lighting project. And it all starts with a sketch pad. First, let's talk about design. Take a look at the space you'll be lighting. Where will people gather? Are there any specific structures you'll need to work around or incorporate? Does your customer have any specific requests? Start thinking about how you will hang the patio light strings. Identify whether you'll be using guide wire to run the lights long distances between posts, or if you'll be anchoring the lights along a structural support, like the underside of a pergola or a gazebo. Keep in mind, any design with spans of more than 20 feet between anchor points should be installed on guide wire. Take out your sketch pad and prepare a dimensional layout of the space. These dimensions will help you out later when ordering wire. Start drawing some designs. You can run light strings in parallel rows, zigzag, a single strand of perimeter outline, a fan, or, if you're feeling creative, maybe you'll design your own brand new shape. You can even name it after yourself if you want. I don't care. Your layout will largely depend on how the space will be used. If this is an eating or entertaining area, you'll want to consider a shape and density of light strings that puts more light in the space. Design a layout that will supply less light if your customers want something a little more intimate. Sketching your layout to scale will allow you to automatically keep track of the footage of wire. Be sure to note the anchor points and the type of hardware you will need. This will help when composing your shopping list and estimate. As part of your plan, you'll need to decide whether the light strings will be powered from a standard GFCI equipped electrical outlet, or if they will be connected into a 12-volt landscape lighting system. View our video on power considerations to learn more about the considerations of each approach. Next, let's move on to budget. Take your drawing and prepare a material list, starting with the light strings and lamps. Remember that installations with widely spaced anchor points will require guide wire, which adds slightly to the installed cost. Be sure to plan for the power supply, either connecting to the existing landscape lighting transformer or a new transformer for 12-volt systems. Be sure to include the cost of wire, conduit, and cable clamps to bring power from the overhead lights to the power source. And don't forget to include the cost of any ladders or lifts you may need to rent to reach high places and install the job safely.
Well, it looks like things are shaping up quite nicely around here.
Now then, review your plan, check out your drawing, and make sure your shopping list is complete. This will make for a quick and efficient install. And don't forget to subscribe to Prime Patio for more helpful tips.